Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your photos with iCloud. First, ensure you are signed into iCloud with your Apple ID on all your devices. This is the foundational step for seamless synchronization. Next, navigate to your device settings to enable iCloud Photos. This feature automatically uploads and stores your entire photo and video library in the cloud, making it accessible everywhere. It's a simple process that brings great convenience. To activate iCloud Photos, begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your name located at the very top of the screen. From there, select the iCloud option. Within the iCloud menu, you will find Photos. Tap on this and simply toggle on Sync this iPhone or iCloud Photos. This action initiates the synchronization process, ensuring your memories are safely stored and accessible.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like iCloud keeps your photos. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once iCloud Photos is enabled, consider optimizing your device storage. Within the Photos settings, you'll see an option called Optimize iPhone Storage. Selecting this keeps full-resolution photos and videos in iCloud, while your device stores smaller, space-saving versions. This is incredibly useful for devices with limited storage. You can always download the original, full-resolution files whenever you need them, ensuring flexibility. With iCloud Photos active, your entire photo library becomes accessible across all your Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID. This includes your Mac, Apple TV, and even through the iCloud.com website. Any edits you make to a photo on one device, like cropping or applying a filter, will automatically sync and appear on all your other devices. It's truly a unified experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.